Hey, it's Design Guy here. I'll show you how to flip images in Canva in just a few clicks. To flip images in Canva, first create a new design by clicking the Create a Design button on the homepage. Click the Create button, then select Custom Size from the options. This allows you to choose any dimensions you need for your workspace or canvas, enabling you to start your design project. Enter 150 for both width and height fields. Then proceed by clicking the Create button to set up your canvas with those dimensions. You now have a clear canvas to work with. Next, let's begin adding elements. Locate the toolbar on the left side of the screen and click the plus icon to start inserting your first element. First, select the image you want to flip. Next, use the image editing options to apply the flip effect. You can also choose to add additional images here if you need more elements. With the image in place, you can now apply the flip effect. Simply click on the image to select it first. Click the flip button. A menu appears with two options, horizontal or vertical. Select your preferred flip orientation to apply the change. Select the horizontal flip option to change the orientation from left to right. You'll see the image or object is now mirrored horizontally. Next, choose the vertical flip option. This will flip the image or object upside down. Notice how the overall appearance updates based on your selected flip direction. You just learned how to flip images in Canva with ease. If this was useful, hit like and subscribe for more quick design tips.